Nahao, Ani Bojo Kinuia, Machtada, Bagashmanoya Yak, Miigwech Gi Bajayak, Maki, Anishinabek Nation, Giizisoo-Mzinigan Anishinaabemowin Idwinin, Miigwech Mary Blakely B. Kinomage Young Nongom. Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining us again today. We have another webinar featuring words and phrases from the annual calendar. Thanks to Mary Blakely for joining us today to share the phrases that she provided in the calendar. Ali Darne Indishnikaz, Gitiganzi Bidamadogos, Anishinaabemoin Eniganzi Gidagandao. I'm the Anishinaabemowin manager here at the Anishinaabeg Nation. My name's Ali Darne. I belong to Garden River First Nation. I've been working at the Anishinaabeg Nation in the Anishinaabemowin department since 2023. The Anishinaabe Department was launched to support language reclamation, documentation, and revitalization. We also provide support to Barbara Nolan, the Anishinaabe Ini Galwadod, and the Enki Majikwi Absi Tung Anishinaabe Committee. That's our language revitalization committee that provides guidance and direction to the Anishinaabe Nation as well as the Anishinaabe Department. Nahau, Keen Tum Lori, Mamba Anishinaabe and Katang, Lori McLeod, Shabaki, Jinkazo. Over to you, Lori.
Nahau, Chimigwech Kinawea, Chimigwech Gibajayak, Lori McLeod Shabagijik, and Dishnakas, Anishinaabe Kwen Dao, Meanwhile Chiging Donjaba, Nipissing First Nation de Bendagos, and Gijike Anishinaabe Nation Kipiyin, Ngichinendam Janoki Noki Twagwa, Ganishnaabem Nanik. Ngitchipitendum Iunakiwin. To everyone. And Ali, if you can please change the slides. Now, I am going to share with you the Ngudwe Wangazit Anishinaabe. And if you can look at these beautiful images that are here, these pictographs, they were created and gifted to us by Gordon Wanda Ben Spa. And they tell the story of Ngudwe Wangazit Anishinaabe, which means one Anishinaabe family. The Benjaged Gisan Anishinaabe and a king, Gibidagon God in him and Adowadzawin. Creator placed Anishinaabe on the earth along with the gift of spirituality. Shkure nebe ake noden, Gibidagostanong Nagadawind among Mampish Kogmagang. Here on Mother Earth, there were gifts given to Anishinaabe to look after: fire, water, earth, and wind. The Benjige Giminan Gichatwa Windagok, Anishinaben Wanag Dunjin and the Nijwaswe Kinumagwinan. The Creator gave Anishinaabe 7 sacred gifts to guide them. They are Zagidwin, Debwewin, Manadendamwin, Nabwakawin, Dabadendizwin, Gwekwadzawin, Minwa Akadeowin. Love, truth, respect, wisdom, humility, honesty, and bravery. The Benjige Kimingona Debwenwe Nagadawindawin. Creator gave us sovereignty to govern ourselves. Kamna dendana gabe jwebak, minwa nango megwa ejwebak, minwa geabe wanijwebak. We respect and honor the past, present, and future. Chmiigwech, and that's the preamble to the Anishinaabeg Nation Constitution as adopted by our Grand Council in June 2011. And the Ngudwe Wangazit Anishinaabe was created for us by the elders as part of the United Chiefs and Councils of Menadominising. Miigwech.
Miigwech, Lori.
So we just wanted to share a little bit about our artist for this year's calendar. Each year we strive to feature the artwork of an artist from within Anishinaabe Nation territory, and we are very honored to have Shikekwe, Autumn Smith, who shared her artwork with us for the calendar. And she is from the Caribou clan and a member of Magnetawan First Nation, where she lives now, and is also an Ojibwe language teacher. So we're very proud and very happy that she has shared her artwork with us. And just so you know, we're already planning the 2027 calendar. So if you are from the Anishinaabe Nation and would like to be a contributor, please do get in touch with us. Or if you have a podcast or a resource to share, then we welcome those as well. Chmiigwech.
Miigwech, Lori. It's true, we're always looking for speakers from across the four regions and the 39 First Nations that make up the Anishinaabe Nation. We're also looking for artists. So if there's an artist that you think we might be wanting to include, then please contact Lori and I, or you can drop in some names for us to contact as well. Now, to introduce you to our teacher, Mary Blakely. Miigwech for sharing Giizis, Broken Snowshoe, April's words and phrases. Mary is an elder of Giizisoo-Mzinigan Anishinaabemowin. Mary and her husband John live in Nipigon but spend weekends in the summer at the Lake Nipigon Reserve. Mary has two children and four grandchildren. She loves to spend time with and share her knowledge and history with them. Mary also holds a diploma and OCT license as a qualified native language teacher. In addition to working as a language teacher, she has served as a counselor for her community. She has also been active on the Nokiwin Justice Steering Committee, gathering and sharing information on programs and services available to those involved in the justice system and their families. She's also helped coordinate and facilitate healing circles as part of the justice program through the Nokiwin Tribal Council. While no longer a counselor, she continues to take part in community meetings whenever she can. Mary currently works with the Anishinaabemowin Bodaway Committee, providing community language classes, working at summer immersion camps, and doing translation work. She's passionate about language and culture and wishes to bring these back to our communities. We really appreciate your time and your contributions and the teachings that you're going to share with us this afternoon. Chimiwech for joining us. Now, Ginta Mary, I'm going to flip the slide and it's over to you to share Anishinaabe with us.
Miigwech Ali, Miigwech Lori, Miigwech Marcy. Okay, Miengamachta. You already introduced me, Ali. So yeah, and I'm originally from Ababaka, Mary Indishnikaz, Ninodam Mang. And I was raised in Ababaka until I was about 7, almost 8 years old. Nopamine. And we had no reserve or nothing. So we lived there for many years with my Gokamisananning, my great-grandmother, my grandmother, my uncles. We all lived in one place, in one house. And that's where I was raised. And my first language was Ojibwe, some Cree. And so when I did start my schooling in Beardmore, I was Wingengik. I was very nervous. I didn't know what to say or do, but I got over the anxious and overwhelming feeling and being alone in that Jaganash Kinogamik. There was Gawin and Ishnabek Shkinigwek or Benoji Sakama Ninago. And yeah, it was Giizisoo-Mzinigan. Pekano nungum ejiwebak nungum amate ama ni nama kwezensian weshkach. Pekano amate nungum ama gip amatis weshkach amate no pamin. Anishinaabemowin bishishik. Kano now gawin ako away ka Anishinaabem si wakamate away ama gajdayan. Winge napona wichige gani nigendam ama gawin nungo mamate kanon si mate nagogo na mama kana bawat ninago. So miigwechamati ama kinuia ka to tuwiwat ama ka jibi gewat amati amati aweti this calendar for writing on it to share your knowledge and wisdom and our spiritual connection to Anishinaabemowin. As all Anishinaabe, we all think the same, we feel the same way, and I did lose a lot of my language, but now I'm trying to get all of it back, and I'm not going to stop until I do now. It's never too late to start. So this is where I am, and I don't like to use English too much. I'm going to try and keep it as verbal as I possibly can, so bear with me. And I'm a little bit nervous. This is the first time I've done this. Nigi and Nigishkwe and Dampingi. But anyway, gamachta. So nagkinda so nang amati papo kame Giizis nongom amati April Asianakatek, broken snowshoe moon. So April Fool's Day, the first day, Bejik ama. So I got down the April Fool's Day, gabi bat the zigijit. Gabi bat the zigijit. So gabi bat the zi would be, you could use that in any other, like other forms rather than just the April Fool's Day. That also means gagipat the ze would be he's fibbing, or don't pay attention to him, or it can mean other things than just that. But I used it because that's what came to my mind. Gagipat the ze. And a lot of Anishinaabe will say, Kego kikan the ze awete a noch keto gipat the zisha. So we can use the same words as in different perspectives, is what I'm trying to say, if that makes sense. So April Fool's Day, he's fibbing, like kipateze, he fibs a lot. Kimikateze, So okay, so gizibi geninjin apane. Wash your hands often. Gazibi gi is wash yourself. Gazibi ninjin is your fingers, your hands. Gazibi ninjin, wash your hands often. This way, minito makate gijigat. Minito makate gijigat. We never called it Good Friday when I was growing up. We didn't say the words that there is now. What my grandma, my gogo ki kito manate ki makate ki shikat, she used to put the black ash on my forehead, kino ko kitotam. With everyone, kinuiyak. It's like we prayed together. We didn't go to anamee gamik. Ni nago, gi namee twa mate no nagogo. So manito makate gamik, she used to shut She didn't want the sun to shine or the daylight, so she put the blankets over top. And we would say our Good Friday prayer, I guess, you know. So that's when the Giizisoo suffered on the cross. So anyway, okay, so that's where that is. And number 4, ni win dosh kachizok ipon. Dosh kachizok ipon. It is still snowing lots. Or you could even say, winge minawa week kachizok pon kochin. Winge ago week chizok pon kochin. So you could say that in that way too, because it doesn't have to be all in order. When you're in Anishinaabemowin, you can use them at the beginning or at the end. Uh-huh. Nanin, yeah. Mishpejigo namate pakwan aname twa kijigat Easter Sunday. And we never used that pakwan either. Kego giap chito simen. Pakwan. But it is now. That's the way it is now. Pakanon, like I said, everything is different now. We did say aname twa kijigat aname twa mi shike waiting gi no twa kamawish kachka kit nuat kaname twa kijimaneto nungum. That means we're going to pray. We're all going to pray for the Creator. Kaname etwa. Or you could even say, Giname etwa, Mary Bichinago. Giname etwa. I prayed for Mary last night. So that's what Aname is pray. Aname etwa is Giname etwa Lori Bichinago. Wasnago. Giname etwa. I prayed for her the other day. So that's what that can Aname and it glodo itwa. So nigadwaswe nikak babizowak babizowak. Now that word was, I found that there too in a dictionary. Bimbizowak, bambizowak. To me that sounded like they're driving. Bambizowak. So geese are flying, but that's okay. There was that'll work. And with me, with my dialect is Bemisewak. Nakak Bemisewak. Bemisewak. Nakak Bemisewak. They're flying. Or you could say Aja. Aja Nakak Bemisewak. So that's a little bit different than how I say it. Bemisewak. Yeah, me. Nishin. Ali. Okay, I'm gonna move on. Namate Nishwa Swe Nigi Wabama OPG. Nigi Wabama OPG. I saw a robin. That was my gogo's favorite bird. Nigi Wabama OPG. Mishaja. The Zig Winagwin among Wabama OPG. I saw a robin. It's slippery outside. Joshua begat a Gujin. Joshua begat a Gujin. This one here, I got a Guajin. W-A. We say a Gujin. Ujashkwa begat a Gujin. Nongom. But a Guajin works too. It's slippery outside. Winge. Ujashkwa megat a Gujin. It's very, very slippery. Beka, beka, slow down a little bit, you know. Wait. Jashkwa gameta kuchin. It's slippery outside. Miel. Bezagoze gun. Bezagoze gun. Sticky snow. Bezagozi. Winge benuchi saka tamanoenda mamate. Bezagozi agonungum. Kata aje gon enene. I never ever never knew how to say snowman, but they're going to enjoy making a snowman. Amad that tamanuwaka, tamanuenda makanungum, panochi esak. Metaswe, niwa bandan, wabigwan. Niwa bandan, wabigwan. I see a flower. I see a flower. Nui wa badan, nui wa bandan wa bigwan. I want to see a flower. Winge, nuinge, nui wa bandan wa bigwan. Because I'm so anxious for Zigwinama de bijat. Metaswe Shinijin, wabuz zidense, wabuz zidense metik, pussy willows, pussy willow tree, but I've only got pussy willow here, and I'm just starting to find out my mistakes. So, wabuz zidense, that's little rabbit feet. And that's what the pussy willows look like, is little rabbit feet. Wabos zetes metik. Pussy willow, little rabbit feet tree. Yeah, little rabbit. They do look like little baby rabbit's feet. Wabos zetes metik. I didn't really know that there was a word for that, but my mother told me that one. Yeah, namamangi windamawik. Okay, that's where she Nijin. Animiki ka. It's thundering. Animiki ka ndugo akuchin. Animiki ka ndugo kakchi animiki ka nungum. Animiki ka. It's thundering. Shke nanodwa animikik. Animiki ka. It's thundering. Yeah. So, okay, metaswe shiniswe. Gagizawak, Nagagizawak, Nika, Minawa, Naputanak. I'm cooking a goose and dumplings. Nagagizawak, Nakak. It's got Naka, that's cooking one goose. Nagagizawak, Nakak. I'll cook more than one geese there, one goose. Minawa, and I'm going to add dumplings. I'm cooking a goose and dumplings. Naputanak, minawa naputanak. So, ingagizawak naka, minawa naputanak. I'll put the dumplings in when the goose is almost done, or the geese. That's why it's got minawa. So that's, yeah, you add that after. Okay, medaswe shiniwin aja metik zagabe gamat. That little picture is on the front of my my slide here. I can't read the full. Well, I got my calendar here. Just a minute. Okay. Zagabeg, Zagabega Magat, Aja Matik, Zagabega Magat. The leaves are already budding. So Aja Matik, Zagabeg Ga Magat. The leaves are already budding. Okay, Betasweshi Nanin. Okay. I'm going to the bush. Ga aja no paming. And ge aja no paming. Ga aja no paming. I'm going to the bush. Gi aja min no paming. Wasnago. Geja no paming no gum. I'm going to the bush in Geja no paming. Okay. Dago zi zigwana guat. Dago zigwana gut. It looks like spring. It's got zigwana gut. Dago zigwana gut no gum. Dago zigwana gut. It looks like spring. Aja nina zigwana gut gochin. It's starting to look like spring outside, so there's different ways you could say it. Amok kiyak, nedon dawak, bish onak kushin. Amok kiyak, nedon dawak, bish onak kushin. I hear the frogs towards night. And wish go among nagi gikwesum wish gach among gagoshmunan amagina ba. I used to hear that the frogs, that brings back so many memories for me when I hear the first frogs weeping and screaming out there. That just brings back my childhood memories.
Honey Mary,
Yeah.
I just wanted to share that when we hear the frogs out here in Nipissing First Nation, we know that that's when the pickerels are spawning. So they'll be starting soon.
Oh, Nishin. Nishin, miigwech for sharing that, Lori. Yeah, amaki yang nitun the walk bish ona kshin. I hear the frogs towards night. Pan kinabase. Giuzes otashaman otayan. The little boy is feeding his dog. Giuzes otashaman otayan. So Otash is kind of doing, he's doing something. Otash. Giuzes otashaman. That means he's feeding. Otashman, you can use that even for, a baby is Benoji is a tashman, yeah, so he's feeding his dog. The little boy is feeding his dog. Mary Otashman Anosh son. So you could say that too, Mary's feeding her grandchild. Miigwech Giizis Giwas Kunendemowean Oma Nawigwang. Thank you, sun, for shining on my face today. And that's the first thing I always say, I just I love it to when the sun is shining on my face. I always think thank you to Giizisoo-Mzinigan Anishinaabemowin. You know, thank you, sun, for shining on my face. It's a good feeling to have on my face when it's Giizisoo-Mzinigan. And I don't take anything like that for granted. I always say me wetch in the mornings, Gijeb, Gikito, Shishikago. And Amie Amati Nishtana, Nigi Gzibig Ige Minoa, Ingi Agochige, Ingi Gzibig Ige. I washed clothes and I also hung them up. So there's two things I did. Ni gizibi ege, minawa, inge agochige. Ni gochige amate, my clothes. Giskuniebun. So I did the laundry and I also hung them up on the line. Mi owe zokpun minawa. Mi ie we zokpun minawa. It's trying to snow again. Ani na. Mi sugo minawa we zokpun. Oh Ganesh. Why? Mi go manjigo. Shkakami kwe shake totan. That's Mother Earth. You can't control Mother Earth. We got to accept what we have and still be thankful. Mi owe zokpun minawa. Mishmiete go Nuiji wagon amade Nuitige magan bijishik. Ani na minawa. Where am I going to put all this snow, kito? Nabapa e namaga kitut minawa. Yeah, so mi away zokpun minawa. We zokpunago. It's trying to snow again. A kiki jiget Earth Day. A ki. You could also say gijigan instead of just gijiget all the time. A ki gijigan. A ki gijigat. Yeah. Gijamin o denan. Let's go to the city. Gijamin. Gijamin minwa o tenang. Wasnago, pichinago gewin gijamin. Gikchitawe minama. We spent lots. We bought lots, we went shopping. Gijamin. Gigajana o tenang. Did you go to the city? Gawin. Gijamin o tenang nungum. Let's go to the city. Ahaw. I'm missing my family. Nigwina wendam. Nandawe maganan. Winge. Nagwina wendam. Nindawe maganan. I'm missing my family. And when I say that, I'm missing my home from Wishkach. That's where my family started. That's where my roots started. Winge. Nagwina wendam. Nandawe maganan. I'm missing my family. Okay, me winge kachikamiwan kabigijigat. Winge kachikamiwan kabeg. It rained hard all day today. Wingegi Giizisoo-Mzinigan Anishinaabemowin. Giizisoo-Mzinigan. Niminwendam oma nimbim. Oh, I'm happy to see spring. Thank you, Creator. I can't see that on that one. Have to move it to the left a little bit.
It might be on your screen, Mary. Usually, if
Oh,
you use your mouse, you may be able to move what's on along the bottom there.
okay. Gonna get you down. Okay, me. Okay. What
I can try and which way did you want me to move it? So like I moved
to my right, it's blocked. There, Mia.
Okay.
Watch Mia. Naminawenda mama nipamatis nawabandan sigwin migwech kajimanito. I'm happy to see spring. Thank you. Naminawenda mama nipamatazian nawabandan minawazigwin migwech kajimanito. So Nipamatis you could say Nipamatazian, Minawa, Nipamatazian and Nipamatis, Kayleen. I am happy to see spring. Thank you, Creator. I am happy to see spring again. Miigwech. Uh-huh. Jane, Wiwi Jiwan was saying yan. Jane wants to go with her brother. Jane Winge Wiwi Jiwan was saying Jane wants to really go with her brother. Yeah, Jane wants to go with her brother. So we could put Winge there too. Winge Wiwi Jiwan. Winge. Winge Aja Zikimeka. Winge Aja we Zimeka. Zimek Ka. There's already mosquitoes outside. Agojin. Pepe me suak. Winge. Patina wak Zikimeka Aja. There's a lot of mosquitoes already, and they're all over the place. Mime guayak, see, there's that word again. Bimba, bibam besewak, babam bezowak, babam bezowak, babam bezowak, miziwe. Mime guak, bimse, bamisewak. Meme guayak, pamasewak, miziwe. Butterflies flying around all over. Pamasewak. Winge, deko, takajate, nibing. Winge, deko, kakajate, takajate, nibing. I'm told it's going to be a very hot summer. Enene, giwin de mawik, takajate, nibing. A man told me it was going to be a very hot summer. Winge indigo, takajate, nibing, nanandam, I think. Winge indigo, takajate, nibing, nanandam. Uh-huh. Okay, extra phrases. Indiecus. Indiecus. I'm tired. Winge indiecus. Abenogie suck, children. Abenogie suck. Winge patino ak benogie suck kinagogamik. Kino agamic school. Kino agama. Kino agama. Kino ama agamic. Sorry. Kino ama agamic. Kino ama agamic school. Ah. Gajate nongum. It's hot. It's a hot day today. Gajate nongum. Winge napuewis. I'm sweating. It's a hot day today. Gajate nongum. It's muddy all over. Ween jish kwewa gwa mzue. Ween jish kiwa gwa mzue. It's muddy all over. Ween jish gwa mzue. Winge ween jigan ween jish kwa. It stinks, that muddy water. Giuzes ke kwezes utamanoak aquagene. Aquagene. It's aquagene is good. Aquagene is also good. Giuzes ke kwezes utamanoak aquagene. Boys and girls are playing outside. Get the manuak. Kino ma kwe jaman giwazin son. Kino ma kwe jaman oh, I'm getting tongue tied here. A we son. Giwazin son. A kwe jaman giwazin son. The teacher is asking the boy. Uh-huh. Giminawenda magindasuinana. Are you happy when you are reading? Gaminawendam agindasuinana. Ikitoki was this. The boy says yes. Ikitoki was this. So that could even be, see, in our language, it could come first, or it could start in the middle, or it could come last as speakers, you know. So when the teacher is asking the boy, are you happy? Are you reading? So you could say that too, you know, you could say it doesn't have to be right to where the English is. Kito. Giuzens, kito. You could say giuzens first, kito. You could, you know, put that at the other side too. That's the way we speak. So, kito. The boy says yes. Yeah. Igwach. Gaje ba wagat. It's morning. Gaje ba wagat. It's morning. Aja. Gaje ba wagat. Gaje ba wagat. Aja nin gaje ba. It's starting to come morning. You see that daylight. Miaja ninigzeba. Ejinagun. Giuzes kushkozi. The boy wakes up. Giuzes kushkozi. Amaja namatabe. Giuzes onishka. He's getting out of bed. Giuzes onishka. The boy gets up. Aja giuzes onishka. Giuzes gzibi ngwe. Giuzes gzibi ngwe. Gzibi ngwe. The boy is washing his face. Or you could say gzibi ngwe aja giuzes. Gzibi ngwe giuzes. Obishkan. Otashigan. Putting socks on. Aja obishkan. Otashigan giuzes. Giuzes obishkan. Odashigin, putting socks on. Mary Gijeba Wisane. Mary Gijeba Wisane. Gijeba Wisane. Mary is eating breakfast. Mzina ige. Mzina igening. Mzina bi ige. Mzina bi ige. Mziniganing, painting or drawing on paper. Mziniganing, mziniganing. So he or she could be painting or drawing on paper. Mziniganing on the papers. Painting with the paintbrush. Jobian. Abachiton. Mzinabi-genatik. Jobian. Abachiton. Mzinabi-genatik. Painting with the paintbrush. And it's got the wooden, like the paintbrush has got the wood attached to the brush. So that's Jobian Abachiton Mzinabi Aganatik. Minawak Wezes Tamanawak. She's playing with her friend. Minawak Wezes Tamanawak. There goes that. Okay, that one is blocking my view there. On to my right. So it should be up to the Mie. Mananagon, yeah. Igwech. Ekweze sak a picket matizawak pikwa what? Ekweze sak a picket matizawak pikwa what? They're throwing the ball back and forth. Ekweze sak a picket matizawak pikwa what? They're throwing the ball back and forth. Zigwin Benichike Miziwe Tabina Nagun. Zigwin Binjike Miziwe Tabina Nagun. Spring cleaning all over and it'll look clean. So that there, I could have probably put it in proper sentences more. And yeah, I could have. But I thought, oh, you know what? I'm just going to leave well enough alone. So I did. So Zigwin bin jige mizawe tabina nagun. So Zigwin tabina nagun ama binichige miziwe. I could have just, turned it to that way too. So, but it works, Zigwin binchige miziwe. Tabinanagon. Tabinanagon miziwe. Okay, mie makusak ingiwa bamak. Makusak ingiwa bamak. Pachinago. I saw bear cubs ingiwa bamak. This way. Makusak ingiwa bamak. I saw 3 bears, 3 bear cubs. Makusak. Mishmiena. Miigwech ma kinuiak abazindamok Anishinaabemowin Minowa Anishinaabek Kinomakwewak Gego na Guikwe Jim. Uh-huh.
All right, so if anyone has any questions, you can drop them into the chat or you can raise your hand. We'll give a couple minutes here to see if there's any inquiries out there. Otherwise, once again, we thank Mary for contributing to the calendar this year, for joining us this afternoon for this webinar and sharing Anishinaabemowin. Yeah, I don't see anything popping up in the chat yet, but sometimes, oh, there it is. I'm like, sometimes it takes a moment. We've got a thank you from Karen, and Dell was letting us know that her birthday's on the 10th.
Oh.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
earlier. We got some thank yous. Wow, will this be every week? So we do these webinars once a month. The dates change. Usually during the first week of the month, we have the Giizisoo-Mzinigan webinars scheduled online. These are recorded and posted to our YouTube channel. We also meet once a week, Tuesday afternoons from 1:30 to 2:30 for Anishinaabemowin language classes with Isidore Toulouse. So you're welcome to register and join us on Tuesday afternoons. You will be able to see the recording. I see someone asking if it's possible to get the slides, and the recording will be available for you. If you really want the slides, send an email to Lori or myself. The emails were shared earlier in the chat there, and I can probably send you a PDF of the slides for today's session. So lots of thank yous, positive feedback. This was helpful. Love the webinar. Lori's encouraging everybody to follow the Anishinaabe Nation's YouTube channel to see the monthly webinars. Follow us on Facebook because we post a phrase every day, and Lori does her best to say the phrase of the day, to try and slow it down and then try and speed it back up. That's done intentionally for those of you who might wonder, why is Lori doing that? Because we try to slow it down, to over pronounce or enunciate the sounds and then try to pick it back up, even though it's hard. Hey, Lori, isn't it good? It's difficult to slow it down. We do have a hand up for Lorraine, so you should be able
I
to come
have
off of mute.
I
Yeah,
have allowed you to talk. You can unmute yourself.
yeah. So if Lorraine, Lori, sorry if I can't say your name right, but there's somebody out there with their hand up. If you want to say something, you can unmute yourself. Sometimes we accidentally put our hands up. Yes, you're
Bonjour,
off of
Mary.
mute.
I wanted to say bonjour to Mary. Nice to see you.
Oh, bonjour, Lori.
Nishin webinar, Nishin
Anisha
webinar.
Chikamata Sian Nongum.
Gindesh.
Nimino bamatis gainin minuenda mama gayayan.
Ninis and Chiniki.
Oh, kchinokitos. Oh.
Had to say, I just wanted to say hi to you. Thank you.
Miigwech.
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 Chimigwech. I don't see any other questions popping up in there. Lots of thank yous. Oh, comment about loving the name of that pussy willow. So that Wobos Dance Matig. So that's a cute one, a good one. I thought that was really cute too when I saw it pop up. I was like, oh, look at that. They call pussy willows little rabbit's feet. Ever cute. They are so soft. If you're looking for the next Anishinaabe Nation Giizisoo-Mzinigan webinar, you're going to have to follow us on Facebook. We're still confirming a date with our presenter, Martino Ozolmik. So hopefully we get that confirmed and out floating around in social media in the next week. And of course, if you're looking to reach out to us, to connect with Lori or I to send any questions, then here are our emails again. Feel free to send us a message and we will get back to you. And always happy to hear from language speakers and learners and our community members. So I think that's about it. I'm going to stop my official screen share here and say it again. Chimigwech. Kinewia, Chimigwech Mary. We
Chimigwech.
appreciate
One.